It's Paul with LSP Data, and on this video I want to show you how to find pre-foreclosure data for Michigan. So as I always mentioned, focus on niche data and act fast. So meaning focus on the marketing, focus on having conversations with the property owner or the seller, right? And to help you expedite this process, right, we're offering you this type of county document types, right? So basically we compile a list of document types that lead to a pre-foreclosure, right? So getting you ahead of an actual foreclosure or auction, right? So if you're not familiar with some of the county instrument or document types, here's a quick example along with what they mean. And also more importantly, how fast can you act, right? So if there is problems with the mortgage, right? If the person starts paying the mortgage, there's going to be a document for appointment of trustee or substitute of trustee, right? And then after that, typically a foreclosure occurs, an auction occurs, right? Or if the individual is having problems paying their mortgage, maybe they may raise a modification of a loan. So there's things that take place before an auction or foreclosure happens, right? And this is some of those examples. So I always say you're not closing deals because you're wasting time chasing the wrong data. What we mean by that is that a lot of individuals go with a lot of commercial products, right? But a lot of that data ends up being published 30 days or after, right? Whereas a lot of our customers are saying that, you know, they like that ours is up to date, whether it's 1 day or 1 week. They get ahead of a lot of people that use a lot of the commercial products and that don't get a lot of those document types that I talk about, right? And many of you that are watching these videos, you're trying to save time because you know where this data is, right? You know you can go to any of these counties and find that individual data on your own, right? Which is the best thing you can do, right? However, you also know that it takes time. Sometimes you don't get the addresses because you may get just a legal description. And also you don't know which asset type that is, right? So maybe you're an investor that focuses a lot on single family, or maybe you focus on commercial. Obviously, there's a lot of work that needs to be done, and maybe you're paying a virtual assistant or you're doing it yourself. So this is where we come in and we're able to help you with that, right? So the platform is meant to help you easily come in here, and maybe whether you're looking to target individual property owners, right? After you skip trace it, or maybe you're doing mailers, right? Whatever the issue may be, your criteria may be, we're just trying to make it super easy for you to come here and then select those criteria. So, you know, maybe you're looking for list pendens, you're looking for liens, you're looking for mortgage modifications, etc., right? So it's just as simple as applying those criterias, and once you get the results, you can easily export them. Like I said, whether you're doing skip tracing or maybe you're doing mailers, right? We're just trying to make it easy for you to do that fairly quickly and save time, move fast, and focus on marketing or jumping on calls to negotiate, right? So this applies to the other ones as well, right? Our records are skip trace either weekly or daily, depending on your needs. And again, some of them are very extensive, right? So a lot of you know which specific documents to pull, right? And if you don't, watch some of our videos in which we touch a lot of, what these document types mean and which one of those are relevant, right? Because sometimes you have probate, you have list pendens, you have mortgage modification, you have liens, you have tax violations, right? So, or delinquencies, I should say. So it depends on what your criteria is. We can help you with that. As far as how to sign up, you can navigate to this page, go to the county sign up, right? So lspdata.io, county lead data sign up. We have 2 plans. We have a state subscription plan that gives you access to all of our counties, and as we grow the county list, you'll automatically have access to that. So this is $249 a month, and we provide with a 7-day trial. So just enter LSP data and you'll get a 7-day free trial. if for whatever reason this is a good fit for you, you can always cancel before the 7th day so you don't get charged. And you can also sign up for individual counties as well. So let's say you wanted to sign up for Wayne County or any of those, right? Is $99 a month. Again, LSP data as a discount code for a 7-day free trial. And that's pretty much it, right? So again, where is the value at here? Well, we're getting you fresh data, whether that's refreshed daily or weekly, and giving you the ability to easily identify, those pre-foreclosure factors, right? Allow you to also, whether you're targeting individuals, right? And yeah, so depending on the county, we'll have a lot more information as well, right? Whether, the individual is whether it's absentee owned or primary house, right? That sort of information as well for some of them. So again, if you have any questions, leave any comments. Again, a lot of our customers are experienced real estate individuals who know where to get the data. They know that they're not going to waste their time in commercial products because everyone's targeting the same list, right? So they know that a lot of this takes some manual work. They're paying VAs, and obviously a lot of them, from what we hear, they just want to spend their time doing marketing or mailers, right? Or jumping on the phone. So we're just trying to facilitate that for them. And yeah, that's where they're getting a lot of the value from. But yeah, again, if you have any questions, again, leave it in the comments or reach out to us. If you're also interested in just kind of scheduling a demo or getting more information, again, lspdata.io, you can jump to a demo call as well, and we can answer any of your questions as well. So thanks for watching.